jump onto Google and search for JDK. Then click the very first link that you see, which is with Oracle.com. Oracle maintains and develops Java. Now when you click it, it tells you you can download Java SE, and you want to make sure that you have the JDK selected. So if I scroll down, there are many different things you can download for Java. However, you probably only need to click the first item. Now on this downloads page, scroll down, and what we need is the Java SE Development Kit. So click Accept License Agreement, and over in Download the correct version for your operating system. So I'm running on a Mac, I'll get the Mac one. If you're running on Windows, you would probably get the Windows x64 if you're on Windows 10 nowadays. But check if you need the x86 or x64. Okay, you can also get demos and samples and downloads on this page, but don't worry about that for now. Simply get the JDK. Once you have the JDK, you've downloaded and installed it, preferably restart your computer so everything registers. Then we're going to get to the actual item we will be using to create our Java code. There are many IDEs or development environments you can use for Java, the most popular of which is probably IntelliJ or NetBeans. If you're making apps for Android, you would get Android Studio. But this is just a very simple, short section, so what we're going to use is something called Dr. Java. And Dr. Java is very simply a way of compiling a Java program without too much fluff inside the program itself. So it allows us to write code and then compile it. And it's a great way just to learn what to do properly. So head over to drjava.org, click on the main page, and we want to download this jar file. Go ahead, click that, and once that's done, I'll use the direct link here. Once that's done, we'll look at how to run it. And there we have our downloaded jar file. If you double click it on a Mac, you won't be allowed to open it. So what you have to do is right click, then click open, and then bypass the security. Click open. You only have to do that once, and then OS X will trust it in the future. If you're on Windows, you should have no problem simply running that jar file. Right, that is Dr. Java installed, and we are ready to go. One final thing is that down at the bottom, inside of compiler output, it tells you that you have Java installed and you have a compiler ready. If you get errors here, then simply go onto the Dr. Java website and see what people say concerning how to fix them.